If you find out it's a company, then you have to go to BC Online. So everyone should have a BC Online account. BC Online account, you have to go to the website and call them and set up an account. And then you have to use your bank online banking to transfer money into BC Online account to make it work. Okay, so after you log in, on the top it'll show, I have $69 in my account. So if it's not enough, then I have to transfer more money into this account to buy the service I need. So you can see there's a lot of service you can buy from this account. BC assessment, if you need a BC assessment, you can come here. Rural property tax, BC registry service. So we'll just go to registry, BC registry. So now when you go to BC registry, search by number. Most times you won't know the number, but you will know the company name because it's shown in the title search. It'll show the company name, okay? So just go here, search by name. Just type in search by name and it'll come out. So for example, if I search Charles. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So if I search the company name, it'll come up, right? Once you find out the company is existing, then you go into it by clicking the name. Now you see here, proceed to payment. This is cheaper than title search. This one is about $7. This one is about $7. So if you pull down, then you can see the information, what's available here. So all this information are available to you if you need it. For example, from the beginning, you can see the company was set up in August 4th, 2016. Then if you want to find out the certificate, for example, if you do company sale, business sale, or building owned by a property owned by a company, this website you must register, because sometimes client they say, oh, I don't have my files, it's at my accountant. Then it takes too much time for you to wait for the accountant to send you the document. Then you can just come here, $7, just pull the company search and get the document you need for FinTrack verification, right? You need this for FinTrack. And also you can use this one to find out the landlords, who are the directors, and find out where they are. So you see here, there's a certificate, notice of article, and incorporation application. Notice of article, notice of alteration, BC annual report. So you have to check about the annual report. If they done annual report, then they're in good standing. If they don't do this, the company may not sell the property or anything they own under the company. Because one time I seen a client, I trying to buy a commercial property from this guy. And later on, we find out his company, he forgot to do this annual report. So what happens? The company become inactive. Then who owns the property? The government froze the account under the company. So he cannot sell. So he has to go back to the government and go through a very complicated process to get the company back up again and to be able to sell his property within the company. So this is the most important for a company, okay? Annual report. Every year you have to do annual report. Very easy, just go on here, BC Online, and pay for it. That's it. So for you, as a realtor, you will need certificate and notice of article for your FinTrack. Because under this notice of article, it'll show you all the director's name and address. So you can copy everything into your FinTrack. And also where the company is registered at. Most times, company are registered at either accountant or lawyer, right? Sometimes they register their own home, but it'll show the director's home address on this file. But this address is not 100% accurate because sometimes they have different property they live, right? They may not live at this address, they may live at other address. So in that case, you had to do title search again. On what? Title search, not only you can search PID, you can also search the person's name. For example, you find out this director, his name is ABC, right? You just take this ABC and go back to title search. Title search, select search by name. Instead of search by BID number, search by name. After you enter the name, it'll show you everything this guy owns in that file. So you can just go to those properties and find out which one he lives, right? So this is a company search. So when you click proceed to payment, then after that you pay the money and you come back here, click here, there will be a window pop open and you can download these files. You can click this one, like every blue word, you can click on. You can download those.